Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change the broadcast language on the 709 M300 dash cam. So as you see, I already have the dash cam in my hands, and there's two things that you need to have. There's the cable, mini USB cable plugged into your charger, and then there's the phone with 709 application installed. So click on the 709 application. You need to connect to your web dash cam. It will guide you. So go to the top right of your screen after you're connected to your dash cam. Then scroll down a bit till you see the broadcast language function. Then click on the settings, and then you can choose your language and just press it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.